Good morning, student. Today we are going to teach you chapter number 19 in English grammar. The prepositions. Here in some sentences and pictures in given value, read the following sentences. Here in a picture of a cat and a table. The cat is under the table. The cat, see the picture here in a cat. This cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. And in the second picture, there are 6 eggs in the basket. See the picture? The eggs is in the basket. And the children are near the house. This is house and these are children play near the house. The children are near the house. I distribute sweets among the children. Here are some children. The man is distribute the sweets among them. I distribute sweets among the children. And see this picture? I meet her at the railway station. This is railway stations and two children meet each other. I meet her at the railway station. And see this picture? She is fond of coffee. And see this picture? She sat beside me. Beside me. See this picture? There is a long bridge over the river. Over the river. Each of the above sentences has a word that connects one thing with another and shows how they are related. A preposition is generally followed by a noun or a pronoun. Children, remember this always. A preposition is generally followed by a noun or a pronoun. Here in a definition of the prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relationships of a noun or a pronoun with another word in sentences. Relations expressed by the prepositions. You can express the following relationships by preposition. Number 1, place. Sentence number A, the principal is in the office. Number B, I learned against a wall. Number C, he is near the gate. Number D, she is behind the curtain. So student, turn the page. Come to the next page. Time. Number 2. Sentence A. We rise with the sun every day. Number B. It is 20 minutes to 10. Number 3. Purpose. Sentence number A. He took medicines for cough. Number B. The patient was shivering with fever. Number 4. Positions. Number A. The boy with blue eyes is my nephew. Number B. He is a friend of mine. Number 5. Instrumentality. Cut these vegetables with a knives. I wrote the letter with a pen. And general rules for using prepositions. We use number 1, in. In. We use in with the names of the cities and countries. She lives in Agra. For example, she lives in Agra. Number 2, in. With the name of the stories. With the name of the street. My uncle lives in Oxford Street. Number 3, in. With the different parts of the day. I go for a walk in morning time. Number 4. Come to the next page. Number 4, in. For things having no motion, and into for things in motion. The manager was in the office. He jumped into the river. Number 5, in. We use in before a noun to mean at the end of. For example, he will return in a park. Number 6, use of within before a noun to mean before the end of. They, example, they will return within a month. Use of at with addresses. We use at with addresses. She lives at number 22 Taj Road. Number 8, at with the word night. I shall meet him at night. Number 9, we use on for things having no motion, and upon for things in motion. There is a pen on the table. The 6 men fell upon the ground. Use of till. Number 10, for time. Till is used for time. They had not reached there till 10 o'clock. Use of with for the instrument, and why for the agent. The cuts fruit and vegetable with a knife. The tiger was killed by the hunter. Number 12, from. Use of from. Preposition from. For indicating a point of time or place. They will be in Delhi from 10 a.m. onwards. He will arrive from Lucknow. Number 13, use of between. For showing distributions or relationships for two and among, for more than two. O comes between N and P in the English alphabet. They divided the fruits among the children. 14, use of since. With a certain point of the time, for with a period of time. My friends has been playing cricket since morning. It has been raining for 1 hour. And rule number 15, turn your page number 82. Point 15, beside, to indicate by the side of. For example, she said beside her mother. Number 6, besides, use of besides, to indicate in additions to. What other sports do you like beside hockey? So student, learn these all rules of the prepositions and write it in your notebook, and this is your classwork. Thank you, class.